Airdrop is not a way of making income, and I'm sure this is going to surprise you, but that is basically the truth. Airdrop is not a way of making income. Airdrops are basically for training. If you came into this Web3 space through Airdrop, yes, you were onboarded properly, but when you start relying or depending on Airdrop, that is where the problem starts. This video is not to discourage you, but to help you to position properly. I'm going to explain to you in this video the real purpose of airdrops, why they worked before, why they are currently fading, and how to participate properly going forward. Airdrops became popular solely for one reason. They allow the common man, the ordinary man, to be onboarded into the Web3 space easily. You don't need coding, you don't need capital, just participation. People interacted with projects early and they were rewarded later on. But the truth is, that was just an onboarding strategy by projects. If you look at it realistically, how else are they going to convince you to participate in what they are building? A technology you've never seen before, the blockchain technology. They are now convincing you to participate in it without putting money forward. I mean, they are definitely going to maybe get people to participate, but it turned out to not be that much. So yes, airdrop was just an onboarding strategy for them to be able to build what they are building on the blockchain and for them to be able to push it to you. That is solely it. Now, why are airdrops no longer a reliable source of income? If you look at the space right now, projects now receive a lot of users. A project could just get launched today, and when you check it next week, it has already bagged millions of users. So right now, it is not difficult to get people into it. People are just rushing airdrops here and there. That is why the rewards have become smaller, competition have become higher, cyber attacks have increased, and projects have simply become stricter. This is not actually because Web3 is dead or airdrop is dead. This is simply because the Web3 space is now maturing. Now, what is the real value of airdrop? If you pay attention from the beginning of this video, I started by saying airdrop is not a way of making income. They are for something else. They are for training. So this is the real purpose of airdrop. Airdrops teach you how to use wallets. They teach you how to bridge. They teach you how to interact with smart contracts. They teach you how to use gas fees. They teach you security. They teach you how the ecosystem works. And these are not small things. These are core Web3 skills. If I'm to use myself as an example, almost all of the things that I know right now in the Web3 space, I knew it through airdrop. So is it bridging? Is it swapping of coins? Is it interaction with DEXs, interaction with exchanges, understanding of wallets, understanding of the blockchain? Almost all of these things, I knew it because of airdrops. And these are the core skills that you need as someone that is into the Web3 space. It is not all about the amount of money that you put into your pocket. It's about what you learned also. You need a mindset shift. If you use airdrops to learn, they are going to empower you. If you rely on airdrop, they will disappoint you. And I'm sure by now, you're already being disappointed by the dust that you're receiving from airdrops. So airdrops are actually a form of training, not earning or salary or whatever you might have thought it is. And yes, airdrops have enriched a lot of people in the past. People have built houses, people have done massive amount of things, people have raised capitals through airdrops. But as at now, that is extremely difficult. And just like I've said, a lot of people are already in the Web3 space. This is not to say the space is saturated, but we already have a lot of users. Whenever projects get launched now, they receive users, which is what they are looking for in the first place. With all of this, where does this now leave you? If you have done airdrops before, you are not starting from zero. You already have a lot of things. You understand wallets, you understand network, you understand security basics, you understand how to explore the ecosystem. These are core Web3 skills that a lot of projects need. This is why on this channel, we will now be focusing on real skills that you can equip yourself with in this Web3 space, skills that projects need and are ready to pay you for. I'm going to be showing you all of those things one by one. So this is how you are going to be able to build a sustainable source of income in this Web3 space. With that being said, it is now time to level up. And if you watch this video to this extent, I want you to comment level in the comment section of this video. And in my next videos, I'm going to be showing you core Web3 skills that you can equip yourself with and how to start making money with those skills. So make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a new video like this one. If you check the description box of this video, you are going to get a link to all of my social media platforms, be it X, be it Facebook, be it TikTok, or any other social media platform at all that Toniostech currently operates.